Hello friends, today we are going to scan the facade of House Dosoftei, which was built in 1677 and it's located in Iași, Romania. So let's go!
So I'm back at the office, and after I downloaded the raw file from data logger, I'm going to create a new project. I'm satisfied with the color point cloud created by Trion model, and next thing will be to align it. I'll click the translation rotation icon and use the Z-axis to align the building. My next operation will be to clean up the scene, and the first thing I will do is click on the clipping box icon from the displays menu. Next step will be to choose the polygon clipping tool to further clean up the scene. I will remove the two streets, the billboards, the poles and wires. will use the Delete Outliers tool to further clean up the points inside the building. I will manually remove the remaining points using the polygon clipping function. Found on Displays menu, I'll show you an interesting feature of Trion model called linkage. Linkage uses the video data and configuration file of a point cloud to show both the point cloud and the image of the same position at the same time. This function is generally used to perform analysis and object identification. The last thing I will do is to create a video presentation using keyframes. I will position the camera for the first keyframe and click on the plus button. I will do the same with the second keyframe and the third keyframe and so on. Finally, I'll give the new video a name and save it in a folder. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to see more. See you guys on the next